Welcome to the 7th annual Fairfax County hosted Command Vehicle Rally. I want to welcome you here to the Fairfax County Police Driver Training Facility, where we are bringing together federal, state, and local command vehicles to practice communications interoperability. There are basically 3 goals of the rally. The first goal is, does the equipment work? In some cases, radios were not programmed correctly. This is an opportunity to test that, making sure that everybody is ready so that in a real incident, we don't have any communications issues. The second goal is, are the people that drove the vehicle here trained in how to operate the equipment they brought? That's pretty easy to test, evaluate, and we will teach people that need to know how to operate their equipment. The third goal is a little bit more obtuse. It's harder to put our hands around. That goal is, does the emergency manager, incident commander, battalion chief know the capabilities of each of these vehicles and know how to best deploy that communications asset?
OEM is the Office of Emergency Management. Our job is to help guide the county if we have a significant event in Fairfax. We are here to support the incident commanders. We are here to provide situational awareness to the decision makers, the county exec, deputy county exec, fire chiefs, and police chiefs. For our all-hazard response, we have a communications vehicle. This is a fairly new vehicle. It has the capability of running communications laptops. We have Aries, which is ham radio. If we need to, we can provide logistics support. Communications is a huge component of that, and again, that's why we have this vehicle. We can pretty much take it anywhere, 4-wheel drive, fairly small vehicle. We can take it anywhere and provide that capability, that communications capability.